Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. In this episode, I have an easy vegetable side dish you can make. It is very popular in Turkey. We usually make it by frying each vegetables, but this is a healthier, easier way and so delicious in the oven too. We call it Şakşuka. And I know that it is a Greek recipe, egg recipe too, but this is how it is in Turkish. And I wish I would know and tell you the history of the name, how it came out. But anyway, it's a delicious side dish and I'm sure you're gonna like it. So let's get started. I have 3 eggplants, 3 sweet green peppers, 2 tomatoes. I cut the stems out, peel the eggplants in strips, and also have a couple of cloves of garlic and 3 potatoes. I peeled them and washed everything. First, I'm going to begin by cutting my potatoes in cubes. Not too small, not too big, just in medium size. Choose a wide, deep pan so everything can cook without squeezing too much all the vegetables. Next, I'm cutting the eggplants in cubes in same sizes, and then green peppers. I'm just going to roughly chop my garlic. If you like, you can add more always to give an extra taste. And without peeling, I chopped my tomatoes too. Next, I'm gonna season my veggies. First, I'm adding lots of olive oil. It will cook with the olive oil, so be generous, like at least 4 or 5 tablespoons. And then for the herbs, I used dried basil, oregano, red pepper flakes, and salt. Now just mix everything well until all the veggies and herbs mixed with olive oil. It is better to mix it by hand. Actually, I just didn't want to get dirty because at the same time I'm using my camera. My oven is preheated to 200 Celsius degree oven, and there is already something cooking in it for my guests for breakfast. And after like 20-30 minutes, just take out and then mix everything well again so it will cook evenly. It is already partially cooked, almost done. You can check the potatoes to see if it is cooked. And I'm gonna put it back to the oven until it has nice golden color and everything is cooked truly. Inside the oven there is a handmade börek for my breakfast menu. And after in about 10 to 15 more minutes, my veggies are cooked. The time can change, depends on your oven, so it is better to check after first 25 minutes, every 10 minutes maybe. I wanted to add some more salt after tasting it and then transfer it to my plates. What you can do is to give an extra taste. You can make a simply tomato sauce in a small pan. Just cook tomato puree with some garlic and olive oil, and then pour over the veggies, and it will double the taste. Since it's not the season, I just didn't want to use the tomatoes, and also I didn't have much time for it because it's the same day, same morning my guests will arrive for the breakfast. This time I will serve it on breakfast, but you can make it as a side dish for dinner, for easy lunch with some chicken or köfte maybe. I hope you try, and make sure you watch the other episode from the series how I prepared the breakfast for my guests. You can get the links from the description box below and from the right top corner. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.